Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to draw the jaw screw. There are two ways how you can approach to complete this jaw screw. First of all, the simplest method is to draw the circle on the one end and then you extrude the circle to become a cylinder with 24 mm length. Then you sketch another circle on the end of the cylinder and then you extrude, so on and so on and so on. In this video, I will show you how to do this using the function revolve. So let's move to the software. Create sketch and select the plane that you want to draw and select line. So this one goes up 6. In terms of the height, I'm going to divide everything by 2. Later on, I'm going to show you what does it mean, what's going to happen at the end. Okay, this one go to the right. The length is 9. Then goes down 2. Then goes to the right, which is 6. And then from here, I'm going to say OK. And I'm going to draw another line from the bottom. And the length is 3.5. I'm sorry. The length is similar to this one. The height is similar. Okay, but the length here is 7. That's okay. And then it's going up 1 centimeter. The length from bottom is 8. Using the function trim. And then continue drawing the line. And the length here is 82. Then we go to the end of this line. And then we are going to continue this line over here. Starting from this point. And then make sure when you click there is the dotted line. And then this length here is 10. And last one from the bottom, it's going up, is 9. Then trim. And then line, the length is 24. And then the line goes back down. And then you have to make the line go back to the origin. So this is the profile that we are going to draw using the function revolve. So I'm now going to compare the schematics. So 9, 6, 7, 82, 10, and also 24. Okay. Now using the function revolve, go to solid and select revolve. So the axis is, let's select the profile first. Axis is this one. So when you select axis, you can automatically see the software generate the cross section into a rotation of 360 degrees, thus creating the object that we want to create. Select OK, and now we have done the jaw screw.